Hey, what's good, everyone? Here is your morning watch list for Thursday, May 16th. Today, 1 hour before market open, we have unemployment claims, building permits. So we get the majority of the data that we're really waiting for. We also have industrial production 15 minutes before market open. And then we got some Fed members speaking throughout the day. So just be aware of that. Beyond pre-market today, nothing much going on today, news-wise. Tomorrow we have a couple more Fed speakers, so once again, nothing too crazy going on. Coming on and looking at it, Walmart just announced its earnings, so let's quickly take a look at that. Walmart, of course, beat their earnings, and let's take a look at some of the things it could potentially do. All right, so Walmart is currently in an uptrend. It has been in an uptrend for like the past year, so upside on Walmart's good. They beat their earnings. Let's see, Walmart has a demand zone right here at, I would say anywhere from this $59 level to $60 level. I feel very comfortable grabbing calls, and I would target the $62 level. That's the odds of me playing this are low. Maybe if Walmart decides to taper down over the next couple of days and sell off and the options get cheap, I might get something just for seeing what happens. But yeah, Walmart looks good for upside. Don't be surprised if you see a pullback. Looking at the potential for a pullback, I could see Walmart pulling back to about this 61.19 level if you're interested. The next one that looks interesting is Netflix. Netflix actually had some news yesterday, had a news catalyst, something to do with the NFL. Doesn't look like it really has done anything yet. Yesterday, saw a quick little spike and then came back down. I'm probably going to grab something for all the money for next week. Something real, just to have something to play with the profits, see how that goes. Just wanted to let y'all know about that. And then going on and looking at the SPY. All right, the current range on the SPY is right here from this 523 to 508 level. As long as we're in this range, we're bullish. It looks like we're currently experiencing a pullback, but it's after a gap up, so I don't really know how I would look at that. Looking at potential levels I could first see us pulling back to, I could see us retesting 527. And then if I see us at this 524 levels, hey, no questions about it. I'm buying calls. I'm targeting the 530 level. Once again, this is based off of a 4-hour time frame, just so you know how I trade, but this right here is the blueprint for how I trade. All right, going on looking at Tesla. I'm currently in Tesla. I grabbed some weekly calls yesterday, and it looks like I'm probably going to get slapped on those. That's what this is. Bought in right here, came down here, and Tesla is doing what it does. This is why I usually get time on these. Tesla still looks like it's making its way up, but it's taking its time getting there, so nothing too exciting going on there. Then GME, I had this little trend line. It looks like it's breaking below the trend line. I'm not really sure. The trend line wasn't anything too strong on the 4 hours, so nothing major. I was looking, and there is a lot for GME between like $18 and I think the $60 level. GME is probably going to range between those levels for the rest of the week, just because of all the options contracts that are in play. And then going on AMC is moving kind of like GME, down 20% yesterday, 12.41 today. GME down 18% yesterday. So actually GME is holding up a little bit more. One thing to know, AMC keeps offering up their shares and selling capital to pay off debt. So because of that, the shares are really getting devalued. And then last but certainly not least, taking a look at the Dixie or the US dollar. Since yesterday, it has made a bit of a run up. Nothing too crazy compared to the move down. But just know that as this runs up, the value of stocks are going to go down. So just be aware of that. If you made it this far in the video, be sure to smash the like button. That is your watch list for the day. Let's get this bread, family.